Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Nathan.
And welcome to Today on the Green.
What's happening today?
There was a Cal State workshop. More on that with Alexa.
Hi Bearcats! Tuesday and today are the Cal State and UC workshops for our seniors. It takes place from 3:30 to 5 p.m. in the library, and there are multiple mentors and counselors there to help everyone. You even might be able to fully complete your application by the time the workshop is over. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Alexa.
What's a Cal State?
Well, they eat your money. Next up, Core Robotics with Serenity.
Yesterday we went over to CORE as they set up for their annual robotics night. Here's more on it with Miss Mendoza.
This is our Q1 project for CORE, and what the students do is they pretend that they are a group of research scientists, and we give them a scenario like asthma, Parkinson's, atherosclerosis, all these different scenarios, and they have to think about, is there a way that you could send a nanobot into the human body to help treat this disease or disorder or explore or whatever. So they basically take Lego robots, they build Lego robots, which is in itself is pretty simple, but we make it more complex for them and say, okay, you're going to take that Lego robot though, and you have to create a playing field basically, and you have to paint the part of the human body, and you have to show us how this nanobot would go into the body and what it would do. So we learn inverted pyramid style writing, which is what you do in news writing, and they all write a newspaper article and put together pretty close to a very professional and realistic looking newspaper. Yeah.
That's so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Can you tell us a little bit about your project?
Yeah, so our project is about the medical condition esophageal obstruction. It's AKA choking. So the first mission is that the robot goes in and scans to see where the obstruction is. And then the second mission is it goes in and actually takes out the obstruction by using a crane. Then the third mission is it goes inside, delivers soothing medicine, and then does radiotherapy around the esophagus so it can heal better. And then it comes out.
Those were some good-looking projects, CORE. We hope you guys had a fun and successful night. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Serenity. Some people say I'm a robot.
I'm People. I think he's a robot. There were interviews today in the field with Derek.
Question of the day is, what is your high score on Block Blast?
Go. My high score is 6,905.
6,414.
7,316.
9,726.
10,404.
5,064.
8,698.
4,637.
17,123.
Thanks, Derek. So, going to the football game?
No.
Well, how unpatriotic of you.
Are you?
No.
Well, good luck, seniors.
Good luck, seniors.
That concludes today's episode of Today on the Green.
Come back next time to see what's happening today on the green.
Tomorrow.